have another Rivian upgrade for you here. We just finished up with our Project Chrome Delete. Now we are gonna finish the Project Blackout. Look at the top. We've been trying to go for this blackout look on top. Black wheels down below. All right, so these side view mirrors here cost 30 bucks. Links will be in the description box down below. Straight off Amazon. Comes with double-sided tape on the inside. And whoa, look at that. Look at that, wow. Look at that look. Blackout, Project Blackout, whoa. Wow. Wow, baby. So, of course, got our first step again here. Adams Polishes Detail Spray to clean our surface. Make sure we have a nice, clean surface for our adhesive to adhere to. Just gonna take off these double-sided stickers. Take these guys off. Okay, 8 pieces gone. And just don't want that mosquito trapped in there forever. Side or oh, we gotta have the install master. Yes. Voila. Whoa, baby. Whoa, baby. Whoa, baby. Wow. All right, so that completes our look. That's the final piece to the top portion Rivian Blackout project. You look gangsta.